Today I want to show you as quickly and easily as I can how you would cut out an image in Gravit Designer. First, I'm going to place an image. If you look for this little landscape icon in the top toolbar, you can choose an image to place. It's a famous painting by Bouguereau. Now say we want to cut out this little girl. We start by making an outline around what we want to cut out with the pen tool. So choose your pen tool from the toolbar, zoom in so that you can see let's start down here at the bottom, and we'll just click across the bottom. Let's say we want to get that picture in there too. I'm just going to put my points on one on either side of a curve, and I will go back and get all the correct curves in later using my sub-select tool. So for example, I'm going to take this whole curve and kind of skip over it, put a point on either side of it. And again, you can come back later and remove points if you don't need them. Sometimes you put in too many. Sometimes it really helps to zoom in to see what you're doing. I'm just going to try and quickly go around this figure. I'm not going to worry about all the little tendrils of her hair. I'm just probably going to leave those out in this case. Always click the first point again to close your path. And when that happens, you'll notice that the path fills with usually a white color. If you would like to see your image under the fill, all you need to do is lower the opacity with the opacity slider in the appearance menu. Okay, now I'm going to choose my sub-select tool underneath my pointer, and I'm going to go back and try to make this outline a little closer to what I want. I can drag segments of line out into curves like this. Go around and find all the curves that I skipped over the first time and try and match them as closely as possible. Here at her head we need to make more curves. Definitely helps to zoom in if you want to get it really exact. And how exact you want it to be is really up to you. Now, what we want to do is create a clipping mask, and there are a couple of good ways to do this. Probably the easiest way is to just select the layer that is the original image in the layers panel and drag it right on top. Drag it right on top of the path so that the whole path layer lights up pink, and drop it inside the path. Now if you hit this caret, you will see the girl image is indented. That means it's inside of the path. Now the opacity looks low on that, but if we select the path and we bring up our opacity, then we have our girl all cut out. The other way, and I'm just going to take this girl image and drag it outside of the path so I see just a line light up pink, not the whole layer. Now the girl is outside of the path. So the other way to do it is if you have the path on the bottom in your layers panel and your original image on the top, and you select both of them by holding down Shift. See, they're both selected because they're both gray. Then you go over to the top menu bar and you choose Create a Clip with the Create a Clip button and click it. And the same thing happens. Here you have a path. If you click the caret, you see you have an image inside of a path. Okay, have fun cutting out images, and I'll see you next time.